Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble this Dirt Devil broom vac. So it's pretty simple. See this hole here? That's where you put these posts here. Just twist till it's nice and snug or tight, whatever your preference. And you just keep on adding. Okay. The last part is this one with the handle. Okay. That's done. Now you gotta assemble this part. So the clip here on the bottom, make sure you can see it. Line it up. Okay. Once you line it up, push it in, and then the brush is there, nice and snapped on, not going anywhere. And then you just, and your vac's ready to go. So that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.